Hi, we're Supply and Demand, and today we're going to be replacing a few parts on the Samsung range model NE59R4321SS. We're going to be replacing the terminal block and bake element. To do this, we will need to access the back of the range by removing the large cover panel. There are several screws. Make sure to set these aside so we can put the cover panel back on later. The terminal block is located at the bottom of the range. There are several screws to remove from this as well, including a copper ground piece that we will set aside to use later. Once the terminal block has been removed, take off the mounting plate behind it and carefully push all wires out of the way. There will be a red wire and a yellow wire connected to the bake element that will need to be disconnected as well. Once this has been done, carefully cut the insulation across the bottom of the oven to access the bake element. Once this has been cut, remove the two screws mounting the bake element to the oven and set aside. Carefully slide the bake element out of the range. The new bake element will go into the range in the exact same way that the old one was removed. Be sure that the mounting brackets on the bake element line up with the screw holes on the range and that the connectors are pointed up. Replace the screws and plug the connectors back in. To put the new terminal block on, secure the mounting plate back onto the range in the exact same way that it was removed. Once the terminal block is secured to the mounting plate, screw the top wires back into place, with the black wires on the left, the white wires and the copper ground piece in the center, and the red wires on the right. Now secure the bottom wires, matching up the colors to the wires from the top. The green wire will be secured to the copper ground piece against the mounting plate. Be sure to attach the small silver bracket as well. Put the cover panel back on. There should be tabs that slide into the range and hold the panel in place so it can be secured with screws. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below.